Welcome back, my lovely ones. We are continuing from where we stopped. Now, we are focusing on sound A. Hmm? Don't forget, this is the sound of consonants alone. We have removed the vowel. Now, I want to master sound A. How to master sound A very well. This is B. B sound B. C sound K. D sound D. F sound F. Abi? G sound G. H sound J sound Ch. K sound K. L sound L. M sound M. N sound M. P sound P. Q sound Q. R sound R. S sound S. T sound T. V sound F. W sound W. X sound X. Y sound Y. Z sound Z. Right? Now, what we are going to do, we are going to put A in every consonant to pronounce the sound. Now, if as we have B here, if we attach A to it, we attach A to everyone there. We attach A. Want to see what we are going to have? Want to see what we are going to have as a pronunciation? Okay. Now we have attached A to every consonant of the English alphabet. Now that B is B, A is A, right? A is A generally. Now we are asked to pronounce, because this one is Ba, this one is B, this one is A. When you pronounce both of them, B plus A is going to give us Ba. So BA is what? Ba. BA is what? Ba. We move to the second one. We have an A. C sound K, A sound A. When you join them together, it's going to give us Ka. Say it. C-A. Ka. One word. Ka. One word. Ka. We move to the next one. D-A. Da. One word. Da. One word. Da. You must hear that A when you are pronouncing it. Okay? You must hear the A. So D-A. Da. Now, F-A is Fa. F-A. Fa. F-A. Fa. Now, G-A is going to give us Ga. I believe you are following. G-A. Ga. G-A. Ga. Now, move to the next one. H-A. H-A is going to give us Ha. H-A is going to give us Ha. Again. Ha. Now, J-A, because J sound J, A sound A. So, J-A is going to give us Ja. Again. Ja. Again. Ja. The next one, K-A, because K sound like C and C is K. So, K-A is going to give us Ka. Again. Ka. Again. Ka. Now, L-A, because L is A is A. So, both of them is going to give us La. Again. La. Again. La. Now, M-A, because M is A is A. So, one to go. Ma. Okay? Try it again. Ma. Again. Ma. That's for that. Now, N-A, because A is A. N is say So, N-A is going to give us Na. Say it. Na. That's for that. Now, P-A, because P is P. A is A. When you join together, it's going to give us Pa. Again. Pa. One word. Again. Pa. To call both of them, okay? Now, we have Q-A, because Q sound K and A sound A. So, both of them are going to give us Kwa. Again. Kwa. Again. Kwa. That's for that. Now, Aru A, because Aru sound R, A sound A. When you merge them together, it's going to give us Ra. Again. Ra. Again. Ra. One word. Ra. Now, S-A, because S sound S, A sound A. When you merge them, it's going to give us Sa. Again. Sa. One more time. Sa. Okay. Now, T-A, because T is T, A is A. Merging them is going to give us Ta. Again. Ta. Say it. Ta. Say it again. Ta. Again, again. Ta. Now, move to the next one. V-A, because V is V, A is A. When you merge them, it's going to give us Va. Again. Va. One to go. Va. Again, again. Va. Now, move to the next one, because W is Wo. 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 W is Wo. W is Wo. Now, when you merge both of them, it's going to give us Wa. Again. Wa. Again. Wa. Now, X-A, because X is this is sound of X. Don't mistake it. X is what? X. 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 Because this sometimes we don't call it the schwa sound. The schwa sound is like it's silent, but we used to put it. So So XA, because X is S, you're going to call it Sa. Again, Ska. Again, Sa. So that is it. Now, YA, because Y is Yi, A is A, it's going to give us what? Ya. Again, Ya. Again, Ya. Now, ZA, because Z is A is A, merging them is going to give us Za. Again, Za. Again, Za. Now, listen, there's something you want to attach to it. Now, all this one that we have pronounced now, if peradventure we now add letter T to every letter, when we add letter T to every individual letter, what are we going to have? Okay? Just make sure you share this video. Now, we have added letter T to every word here. Now, this one, don't forget, formally say it ba, right? This one ka, this one da, this one fa. Ga. Now that we have added T, because this one is ba, B sound, B-A, ba, T is what? Now, B-A-T is not going to give us bat. Bat. Bat, right? B-A-T, bat. Now, C-A-T, because C-A is ka. Now, ka plus T is going to give us cat. You are getting it right? It's going to give us cat. Now, that plus T is going to give us that. Again, that. Again, that. Now, fa plus T is going to give us fat. Again, fat. Again, fat. Say it. Fat. One more time. Fat. Now, ga plus T is going to give us gat. Again, gat. Are you understanding anything? Now, move to the next one. A plus T is going to give us hat. Again, hat. Ja plus T is going to give us jat. Again, jat. Now, ka plus T is going to give us cat. Again, cat. Now, la, because LA is la. La plus T is going to give us lat. Again, lat. Next one, ma plus T is going to give us what? Mat. Again, mat. Now, na plus T is going to give us nat. Say it. Nat. Say it. Nat. Again, nat. Now, pa plus T is going to give us pat. Again, pat. Again, pat. Now, qua plus T is going to give us what? Quat. Again, quat. Again, quat. Now, ra plus T is going to give us what? Rat. Again, rat. Again, rat. Now, sa plus T is going to give us sat. Again, sat. Again, sat. Next one, ta plus T is going to give us tat. Again, tat. Again, tat. Now, va plus T is going to give us what? Vat. Again, vat. Again, vat. That's that. Now, wa plus T is going to give us what? Again, what? Be free. What? Say it again. What? Now, sat plus T going to give us sat. Again, sat. Again, sat. Now, ya plus T is going to give us yat. Again, yat. Again, yat. Say it, be free, be free. Yat. Again, yat. Now, za plus T is going to give us zat. Again, zat. Again, zat. One more time. Zat. One last one. Zat. Okay? Now, this is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And follow this account for more like this. I am going to thank you later. Bye-bye.